Let us quickly create this particular document, and here we can say our records show that you are registered for the, and now you must select the course for the course what I can do this now, and let me just change it. In what was that heading? Year.
Just sit in here, you can say year or course.
No, yes. Because it must correspond with what we have there. For the year, so, oops, sorry. And there I can put in year.
Course.
For the course. Oops. For the course. And you put it like that.
Does the first letter need to be capital or not?
No, it doesn't matter because that's going to be a merge field that you insert. You have an outstanding fee of, and here we can put in that,
Please.
yes. And you can just say, kind regards, and you put your name, and you can say Jack Sparrow, just put your name. Fees administrator. That's your designation. Okay.
Sorry.
Yes. So now what we've done here really is to create a letter. Now we've already created the Excel spreadsheet where all of our details, the students' details is in. And just for interest sake, it is called this year. Remember, it's called Distance Demo 1. That will be our fees, not fees must fall. That will be our Excel spreadsheet where we can extract or merge. Okay? And it will be under the student course sheet that you see here. So now we can see we have actually two sheets with two tables. So we need to be very careful which sheet we should select. And in the exam, they will actually tell you, take the details in the student course spreadsheet to merge in your merge document. Okay. Now what we will also do is to embed. Who still remember how to embed a PowerPoint document? And I want you guys, probably you have a PowerPoint document there on your machine. Leave it for now. You will embed it later. You're going to embed a PowerPoint document in this merge document here. Let's say you want to put it somewhere here. You're just going to put it below there. Okay? There. So, we have now saved this document. It's there. Let's quickly save it. File save as, and save it on your desktop. And let's call it student letter. Student letter. And save it on the desktop. Remember that? Save it on the desktop. Just called student letter. Let's make it student letter 2017. That's it. And save it out there. Remember, in the exams, you won't type this letter. It will be given to you as a data file. You don't need to type this. We don't have, so we created this by ourselves now. Now, wherever you see this, the tags, it's called tags. That will be a inserted merge field. In other words, you will insert those fields. And where will you get those fields? From that Excel document. You will get it from there. So now, and we're going to delete all of these here. And you will see what I will do now. Your document would look like this in your annexure. Your document will look like this in the annexure that is printed with your main question paper. What's going to happen in your data file, you will just insert, based on that annexure, the fields. But now, we don't have any annexure here, so this will be our annexure. And I will eventually delete those things that you see there, first name, etc. So I will insert those names that is in that Excel database. Now we come to the fun part. Now we need to position this here, because that is where we will insert our first field. Now we will initiate mail merge. If we want to begin with mail merge, where do we go?
Mailing.
Mailings, yes. So click mailings.
Start.
And then you click Start Mail Merge. Please don't click on it itself, click on that small drop down arrow. Do you see it? You click on that, and what will we select?
Letters.
No, this is a letter. We will select step by step Mail Merge Wizard. We always select that. And then you will see this. Okay, now you can't see it. And I'm going to have to move it. Do you see that now?
Yeah.
Now this is a letter, so we leave that. It asks us what type of document do you want to use. We will select the letter. And you can see we are now on step 1 of 6 steps. If I move this up here, let's see. It should be there. There. Hey, this thing is really... There we go. Can you guys see now? Oh, you can't see. It's actually around about here. It should be here. Ugh. Oh, no, no, no. If I expand it, can you... Okay, you... This is so bad, huh? If I do this, you will see right at the bottom there. There. Do you see that now? So now I select, I need to select the document. If I click there, they ask me select what document. We can select the current, we are going to use the current document. Do you see that? So leave it selected, the radio button is already selected for you. So you click select the recipients. So you do that, and what do you think we must do? So now we need to have the recipients. At this stage, we actually need to establish a connection between the objects. Okay? So we will have to use that Excel document and browse to it. So now I will browse. Do you see browse? And I know it's on the desktop. And what was the name of it? It's actually this.
Demo.
Is it
Student.
Where is it? It's distance demo. Do you see that? It's distance demo. Okay, you guys can't see it now. It's this document. Come on, man. Distance demo 1. Then you click open. Wow. Let me just do this. Good grief. You have to select distance demo. Then you click open. And guess what? It selects the 2 tables. And I need to close this table here right now. Let me just cancel this. Because the tables are actually open. You need to close it, eh? We're going to use this student course table. So close it so that nothing is open. So now I can go back to my Word document and I will browse again for it. It's called Distance Demo 1, and then you click open. Just click open once and this will appear for you. Now which one will we select?
Course.
Student courses, right? So you can see it's selected there already for me. I click OK. At this stage, when I click OK, it establishes a connection between the data source. Okay? So now you click OK, and it shows actually now the different fields in that table. Do you guys see it? There is the surname, first name, student number, course, and I think what is the others? The fees.
Year and fees.
Year and fees. So now I click OK. Once I do that, it establishes the connection. You won't see anything, but in the background, it establishes a connection between the data source and the merge document. So, at this stage, and now I need to move this here. Now the data source, it was established, the merge document and the data source, and I've got to do something here now. It is at this stage that I can do what? I can insert the merge fields. Now I need to position my mouse there. So the first one that I will insert based on this is first name. So I select first name. And I'm going to delete this now. My old surname, first name.
Where did you go now?
Insert merge field.
Insert merge field. Once you click insert merge field, you will see all the fields. Do you see it?
Oh,
Ah, we go.
Student number.
First
No,
name.
no, no, first name.
First
Oh,
name.
first name.
And then you delete your
First
name
name.
that you created.
Delete my guy.
Yes. You got it?
Alright.
Then
Next.
okay, it doesn't look. Watch what he's doing. I'll come back to you. Watch what he's doing. Now, at this stage, be careful what you do now.
Save.
No. Okay, you can save, but not now. Be careful, not save. Press on the space bar so that there's a space between the first name and your surname that you will insert.
Alright.
If you don't do that, it will be joined together. Okay? So now you insert the next field, which is the surname. Click in surname, and you delete your old surname. There we go. And press space,
Student number.
and then insert student number.
Delete.
And then you delete the old student number that we created. Okay? Now, you have to look now, where else do we need to insert?
Year, course.
The course first.
fees.
So, you click after, you see in, and make a space. And then you insert the year. Come on, man. The year. And you delete the old year that you created.
And then a space again.
Yes. And then insert course. And you delete the old course. Remember, after that there's a full stop. And then lastly, you have to insert the fees. Click there, and then you go to insert merge field and select fees. And delete those fees that you see there. And then you must have a space. Sorry, not a space, a full stop. Okay? So you can see there it is. You will see the tags that remember these are tags. It's slightly different to the insert fields. So you delete, in this case, delete your own that you typed in. When we typed in this, is just to indicate, hey, I need to insert the first name there, the surname then, the student number. You don't do that in the main exam because it will be given to you on your next year. So in your case, you will just merely click insert. Now, it is at this stage that we will embed a PowerPoint document. Now, you can embed any PowerPoint document before you do anything now. Don't save yet. So, move downwards so that you know where to insert that PowerPoint document. And let's say we're going to insert it here. Click there, and then you click on Home, the Home tab. Okay? Then, in your case, you will be able to see insert what? You will see it's under the text grouping. It's called an object. Do you see it? You can't see mine because of this data projector. It should be somewhere, yeah. Where's mine? It should be there. Must be editing.
Is it on the home?
Yes. Or is it insert?
Sure.
You.
Oh, mine is on the insert.
Insert?
Below date and time.
Yes.
Object, oh yeah.
Object. But be careful, let me just find mine. Now this is where the tricky part comes in. Because I can't see it's a text. Let me just see. There we go. There's mine. It's because you guys can't even see it. It's somewhere around here. Then you click, you will see object. You click on the small drop down arrow. And you select object again. There's a small,
Yeah.
you select object again. And wait. It will now bring you to this screen. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Now what you see there, object type, it merely means those are the type of objects that you can actually create. Are we going to create a new object? No. We will create from the file that we've already created. We will just use any PowerPoint document that you have on your laptop. And what you do next, you click on Browse. And let's say I need to find any PowerPoint file that I have there on mine. But obviously in the exam you will have to use a PowerPoint that they stipulate. Now where is the PowerPoint? Let me just see if I've got a PowerPoint. Do I have PowerPoint here? I'm sure I should have. Is that, no, where is PowerPoint? I'm just looking for any PowerPoint file. And you must do it.
And our September assignment.
Where is it? I just need any PowerPoint. You can just use any PowerPoint file, guys.
You don't have?
Then just use, just create quickly one.
And then insert.
Yeah, hang on. Let's all wait together. Where is mine? Yeah, be careful. Don't go there yet. Don't go there yet. Just wait for us. Where is mine? What is this?
There's a PowerPoint.
That.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, P.
Okay, I'm just going to use that one. No. That one was an old, it's not a completed one. What is in here? Is any PowerPoint here? No. I need one that is actually a bit, got more work. What is this? Memos. No. That's also not. April exam. What is in there? No, there's nothing under that. That's the April exam. Those are starter files.
June
Let me
mock-
see June revision. Is there anything here? What is this? No. I just need a PowerPoint document.
June mock exam.
Where is it? There. Yeah, but those are also mock files. It's starter files. I need one that I've worked already. Okay, I'm going to select that one. So now I click insert and then I will display it as an icon. So click in that checkbox and there it is as an icon. Yes.
Insert. Wat het gezegd?
Display is an icon.
Yes, you click in that check and then you click OK.
What is that change icon? What is that?
Oh, you can change it, but don't change it. You can change the icon to
Really
something.
picture.
Yes,
Display is an icon.
display it as an icon.
Meaning,
So-
what does it mean? It's a
You can
icon.
this. It displays it now here as an icon.
Like a
Yeah, no, it displays it like that.
mm.
Do you see that? It displays it as that. So now I click, and once you start seeing, it will display it now where as an icon.
Below food.
Yes, that's exactly what it means, Mr. Warren. Hey, come on, man.
Alright.
There, give it a moment. It's now busy embedding it. Oops.
Ah,
Let me just quickly, where is this now? Is it in here?
Is dat oké?
Oh, so that is what
Yeah,
I-
that's
Mine
my
was-
source of view.
mine was only a
It's an
link,
icon.
but that was because I didn't click the display as an
Of your-
object.
Yes.
Then it only put it as a link.
As a link. Let me quickly just do this here.
Kijk, toe hy nou sê oké, toe gooi hom nou onder hier.
Yeah, I saw.
Let me just see if I can get any PowerPoint document here.
That's it in the Facebook.
Go to the
I just want to check.
Okay,
What is
so
this?
okay,
No.
Again,
Go
again,
then two files up. There's a September 2017 paper.
Yeah, but those are data files.
Oh.
It's data files. Those are just data files. It's not old assessment papers. No.
Every day.
I just need a PowerPoint document. Come on.
Rain must fall.
Yeah, please. Not now, no.
Okay, I'm gonna see if I can use any. Let's see what is here.
Yes, exam file.
Yes, there's one. There we go. I'm gonna select this person, insert it, and display it as an icon. And let's hope that yes, there it is. That is what it means, Mr. Warren, displayed as an icon. Now, you're not done yet. At this stage, you must save your work, and we will call it student letter merge. So you click File, Save As on the desktop, and let's save it on the desktop as student letter merge. Merge. There we go. Save it. You will notice this is our first save. There we go. So now we've embedded that document. Are we done with mail merge? No. Then we just go back to mailings. Go back to mailings. And at this stage, we want to preview the results. Now, if you preview the results, look what happened. If I click here, and if I select there, record number 1, should show, let me just click there. It inserts the names. Do you see that? There, dear John Smith and student number. And it inserts all the fields. You have to click here. Do you see there? Preview the results. And then, do you see the records there? Look, please look here on the board before you do anything, otherwise you click wrong. Click here, preview the results, and this is where you can step through. Look there, I'm on record number 1, Andile Mbanga. If I move to this one here, record number 2, John Smith. Record number 3. Come on, man. Oh, Pumla. Record number 4 is Angela. Record number, come on, 5 is William Richards. William Richards. Do you see that? At this stage, when you preview, you just want to check whether you've worked correct. You're not done. Right next to it is another column. Once you're on preview, it's under the finish. You can't see it. On your machine, you can see it. I can see it here, but you can't see it because of the data projector. It should be, you will see there is a column that says finish and merge. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Click that small down arrow. And then you select edit individual documents. And it should ask you, which records do you want to merge? All, or maybe the current record, or you give a selection from record number 3 to 5. We will select all. That's why you see it's already. So once you click OK, look what happens. It will start. Do you see that? It inserted all your records, which is 5. If you just scroll down with a page, do you see it? So there's the 5 records. Okay? So you have 5 records now. But you're not done. What must you do now?
Say.
Save. But be careful, you'll see the name is called letters 1. Because you've merged everything. So now you save it as, what was the last one? What was the last one?
Student letter merge.
Then you say student letter final merge. Because this is the final merge. Student letter final merge. Save it as student letter. Also on the desktop. So now you will save it as student letter,
Final merge.
student letter final merge.
And it will show the other.
Yes, it will.
So
You will see the
previous
others.
saves.
You will see the others now. Okay, there's your final merge document. Do you know what happened here? I by accident put in an additional what? Space.
But can you correct it?
You can correct it. I can delete it like that and then save it again.
Okay.
And I will probably, let's hope that it does everything. Did it? Yes, it did. So now I save it again. Just click there and save it again. So you can do it in one merge document. You can make your correction. So if I go back now, you will see there's that student letter final merge. And I can close this here now. There's student letter merge. I can close this and I can save it as student letter. And this is what you will see on the desktop. And students make that mistake. That's why I'm saying to you, you save twice. This is what students normally send to me. Where is it now? Please show me if you see it.
Are we done yet?
We are done. That's the final stage.
Oh, I mean,
Wait.
the merge. Not that day, with the merge.
Yeah, with the merge.
Oh, you said
Yeah, that's
You save twice. Look here.
2 documents you send.
It's actually 2.
Yeah,
No.
that's what I'm asking.
You don't send 2 documents. You send the last.
Last
But
one.
okay, all your documents will in any event be where? It will be
Yes, to
in the exam files.
You desktop.
On the desktop, in the exam files, because you have to send
The
it.
student
You compress it,
number,
yes.
Folder or whatever.
So I will see that. So this is what we look for. If we know that the student has worked correct, please help me. Let me find it. Show me where it is. You guys can see better.
Is it in the final merge?
You will see even there.
That's my
Look,
words.
no. That's also a demonstration. You will see that's how we call it.
So there should be 3 files now. The one that we
Yes.
typed originally. then
It should be
the
that one, student letter 2017, student letter merge.
and student letter final.
Do you see that? This is the one that has got those 5 records. There we go.
You said only that one final merge.
Now you can send all, but as long as I see this here,
Yeah.
your final merge,
Yeah.
that means all your records has been merged.
This one is for the marks.
That one's for the mark. But guess what? They will also mark you when they see that, because in your mark allocation they will tell you save the letter as blah blah blah. Like in this case where you guys just told me, there is it. This one here, is it okay? This looks like the original one, and this is where student makes the mistake. They never complete the merge, and I've got this open. When I mark it, I see this here because they haven't completed the merge exercise. Or what they do here, that's incorrect.
Can I sort of back and check if it's I submit?
Because you only see one record.
Oh.
Do you see that?
Yeah.
There's only one record. There's only one record.
That's why you need to finish the merge.
Yes, and then you select all.
But according to the step 1 of 6, we only did 3.
Absolutely.
We didn't do the final.
No,
Yeah, I saw that.
because you can actually do it. You can skip the others if you know what you're doing. So we skipped the other steps,
Because
and then we
didn't-
just went into the recipients and we inserted the merge field. We didn't went through all the other steps because we know what we're doing. We just want to insert the merge
That
field.
was what confused me in the September,
Yeah.
because and then I said, but thank you, now I understand.
Now we understand. Good. So, for the September assignment, group assignment, let's quickly talk around that. That should be due, and it's not a difficult assignment. That should be due. We can score handsomely. The 20th. I made it due for midnight, a minute before midnight. On the 20th. That's on a Friday. And by the way, you guys can go and check. You've got ample time to go and check the resource material. It's on Blackboard, and also we bundle that little document for you as well. So that's the theory notes if you get stuck. Let me quickly, most of you would be able to do if I go there, and I hope that I can see it, or you guys can see it. I just want to talk around this. There. Ah. It's very important that you guys show me the members of your, do you see that? You can either type it in, you can type it in there, but if you can't, because I actually gave it to you as a PDF document. So what you can do is to type it in your report. And the report is where? In your Excel document. The report is in there. Hey, sorry. There. So somehow, based on this, and you can see, that is how you now need to, these columns you need to fill in with formulas. With formulas. You will probably have to do a VLOOKUP, right? Summary, and based on this, now because I can't see you guys to give to me it in physical format, you need to put it, if I go there, there's something that we see. In this here, you can either put it to me, all your group members in here. Write a report in MS Word. Do you see that? So in here, you will actually show me the group members as well. Okay? For you guys in here, you will also put the group members. Jan Stein, Peter Bosman, and student numbers. Very important. So if you score 78, that group, then all group members score 78. Okay? All group members will score 78. for that particular mark.
How much does it count to the what?
20%.
Sure.
No, it's about the same score weight as
Previous
as
one.
the June. No, the June.
Oh,
The previous September you did a September assessment and an assignment. That mark is combined.
with this.
No,
Well, those two.
yes. This stands almost, it's on its own. It's 100 mark. So this will actually also prepare you for the final.
Which is also a group assignment.
The final.
Yeah.
You would want. Can you guys hear what he's trying to say? He comes a roundabout way.
The scope.
But is it the
For
same?
exam?
The same type?
Yeah,
of-
obviously it will
you do it
include.
alone and then you submit it.
Yes.
Like
of course.
this, like the
yes,
June,
like the
like
June.
this one?
Yes.
Alright.
You submitted the June and the April you did it yourself and then you submitted. This is a group assignment. Okay? Now, what I want to make known to you is this particular point. I just slipped my mind now. Oh yes. Students normally ask me, how about the exam, in what format? You can expect file management, how to create folders, and you can write it down. Folders and files, like you did in June. Moving folders here, you need to unzip from Blackboard the starter files, create those folders, the main folder. It should always be your student number, your name, surname, and student number. And then within that, you create those subfolders. And then subfolders depending on that graphic. And please don't laugh. The other day I saw again in the September.
Will send also a scope like
Yeah, in
June,
June,
the
in
scope.
June you wrote it on
This is
with a
the
white
scope.
paper
You
and
give
you
us the
took a
scope,
picture.
This is the scope.
Yeah.
This is the scope. This is the scope that I'm giving to you. So you can expect file management. Oh,
Oh, it means like.
so you will. To, and that is why this thing is so good. This actually prepares you. You may have to Excel, just formulas that you're going to do. Excel spreadsheets. Then 3 could be a PowerPoint. And I can see, yes, it could be in this format. PowerPoint that you now need to edit and do some things. And number 4 is mail merge in Word,
Like you did that.
what we just did now. So it is Word, but it's mail merge in Word,
Alright.
in MS Word. So in here, you will do your embedding.
Like we did with the PowerPoint.
Absolutely.
But in the PowerPoint, you do also do embedding.
Yes, you will
Number
probably.
three. Number three.
Number 3, you're going to create your PowerPoint based on. No. You first create the PowerPoint document, you probably save it,
Yeah.
and then later you will use this in here when you have to embed.
Alright.
So you can't jump maybe from here when you haven't done that. Okay? And then, so mail merge, final mail merge. 5 is probably where you have to submit via Blackboard.
Zip the folder.
Absolutely. Compress,
Zip.
zip the folder, the exam folder. And then also you email a copy,
Coded.
Yeah. email a copy of your exam.
Mr. Koopman, will you just try and give us what is the total amount?
It's 100.
100.
100 marks.
And then farm management is 10. So
Probably 10, between 10 and 20. Good point. Yeah, you're looking at maybe 40
for Excel.
for Excel.
Okay.
And excess will be probably also be included here. Maybe import, export, similar to what we did. And also creating a table, deleting maybe a table, or maybe a row in a table. This includes excess as well. PowerPoint, I don't know what, let's say 20, I'm not so sure, 25. Mail merge is normally between 15 to 20. Guys, I'm just guessing here. And then this would be 5, and then 2 marks or 3, I'm not so sure. But it comes to 100 marks. Here you can expect much more, okay? There probably 15. What is that?
40.
No? 15 and 40, 55.
The Excel and the Access.
Yes, 40 or something.
40%.
So it's 40 marks. So it's 15 plus 40 is 55 plus 25
75.
plus 15,
90. 90.
90.
95,
And then
97,
probably yes.
100 and-
So we can play around there as well. So this could be also be plus 45. Or you will see it comes to 100 very easily. That's the mark allocation.
Now earmarks.
That you will get once I have that. Remember?
Oh.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Did somebody asked me? And the sooner you guys send me your assignment, this group assignment, because we'll have to work like being on steroids. The IT go to we'll only have probably 1 week to mark all the assignments. But it will go quick because, and oh, by the way, only 1 member per group send me or submit via Blackboard and email, give me your work. All the group members doesn't need to send me. Only 1. It's in the document itself. Let me see if it's there. Only 1 member, I think it's there. Remember that? Only 1 member. I think it's right there. Yeah, yeah. There we go. There. Do you see it? Submit the solution with a document that shows the list of members of the group, and that includes the student number, only 1 member. Okay, you guys can't see that, my apologies. Let me see if I can move this. Do you see that now?
Yeah.
Only 1 member of the group should submit the assignment. That's part and parcel of our request year by year. So not all the members. From your group, if you have 2 groups, only 1 member in that group should send it through to me. Is that clear, ladies? Gents. There's no ladies here.
You used to, man.
All single
You
ladies.
used to.